Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this setting is managed by your administrator in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select as. Now check my video description for this first registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. On left side make sure you select a system. On right side enable LUA, double click on it, set this value data to 0 and click on OK. And just close it off here and restart your PC. If this method doesn't work for you, method 2, you just need to check my video description for this second registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. On left side, you just need to right click on the Windows Defender and select delete option. After deleting this Windows Defender key, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will automatically recreate this key we deleted, and this should fix your problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.